Corre, corre, que te voy a pillar igual.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Butler County, northwestern Warren County, southern Montgomery County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Middletown, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Issued a tornado hazard for tornado. Eastern Butler County. Source: radar indicated rotation. Southern Montgomery impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Tornado was located. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Miami, Springville, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moline, Carlisle, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Riverside, Germantown, Centerville, Town Heights, and Woodburn Hyde Park. This includes a 75 in Ohio between mile markers 39 and 52. Take cover now, Franklin. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Riverside. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, where you can do so safely in a mobile home